What's good, all my SGMers, all my still getting money people out there. And before you watch this video, become part of the SGM family by subscribing, like, sharing, comment, and hit that bell button below so you be notified first. And no, shout out to the SGM notification gang. I see you holding me down in the comments. Gang, gang. And before you watch this video, don't forget to follow me on social media. All my social medias will be in the link description below. So don't forget to follow me there, and so we can stay connected. I will be posting more, but as of now, you know, I'm keeping busy doing what I do. But anyways, I'm gonna get right to it. Some of you heard of this app, some of you haven't. But there's an app called Dodge. Like I said, they was giving a $15 promo, but now they back with the promo because it went back to $5 to the regular promo that they give for, you know, for referring somebody. But like I said, it's back with the promo. I gotta update my app. But let me load this app up real quick while I speak to y'all people. Like I said, it's back. It's not at $15. Like I said, it's not at $15 because that was the promo they was doing when it first started. But it's at $10, which is still good enough. You can still make a quick killing or whatever. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, damn, it's not letting me. I gotta update my iPhone, so that's why it's giving me issues or whatnot. So I had to update the Dash account. Like I said, I'm gonna get to the point. You already know this is a cash app. This is a cash back, you know what I'm saying, type of app. As you can see right there, like I said, this is the percentage you get from going to these restaurants or whatever. Like I said, instead of just scrolling through them, like I said, you see it nearby, whatever you're nearby, whatever state you're in. You know what I'm saying? You can scroll, it's gonna take long. I'd rather just search it. Let's say you're going out with your loved one, or you want to Papa John's, anything near you that you're going to. Let's just say you go to a random place and you don't know if they got cash back on it. Just put the name up there, right up here, and then you know, you see how much they give you cash back. Like I said, I always use it. And like I said, it adds up. Or you could go if you're online, you could check. You could press online right there, see what's online. Say you shopping for sneakers, you know, food, whatever it is that you're shopping for. You go online and see what they're giving back. Look at some, for example, you was going to Bed Bath & Beyond. They're giving up to 7.5% cash back. You know what I mean? Like I said, I just bought a bed not too long ago, so, and I didn't use this, but I didn't go there. You know what I mean? I mean a bed. What am I talking about? Something else I bought, you know what I mean, that I could have got from that place. Forgot what it was, but like I said, these are the cash backs that you can get, like I said, on the app or whatever, you know what I'm saying? And also you can get discounts on travel. When you go down here, close this, you get discounts on a lot of travel. I travel a lot, so this is definitely gonna come in handy. But like I said, you know what I'm saying, right now is a promotion up to February 19th. All the way to midnight, February 19th. Today is the 15th, I believe, right after Valentine's. Like I said, I'm just trying to get to the point. You know what I'm saying? So, like I said, what you're gonna do up here. This is when you send your referral for the people that don't know this. Or you're gonna go up here, right here on the top. Right here, see where it says your credit card. That's all you're gonna do. See how mine is right there? You add yours, and just for you doing that, you get $5. So when you send yours to your friend, your family relative, or you share it on social media, for every person that downloads this app under your link and they put their debit card, you get $10. Like in 48 hours, you should have the $10 in your Dash account. Then you transfer it to PayPal or to your debit card. It's that simple. Like I said, the promotion, the first two promotions being that the app launched maybe like around December, around there, was $15. But they're doing a $10 promotion. Like I said, you can still make a killing. Like I said, you do 5 people. Like I said, I don't know your situation. That could be $50 in your pocket. You might have a phone bill that's $50. You might have a light bill. You might need some gas or some food that'll hold you down for the week. I don't know your situation, but like I said, it can hold you down for something. A lot of times, when I do get stuff like that, they just say I just make like $20, $30. Most of the time, since like I said, I got 2 cars, and I put that in gas. You know what I mean? A lot of times I don't waste more money, my own personal money, on anything, even shopping, because I use the apps and I use other things that I do, you know, survey sites, everything that I promote, period, you know what I'm saying, besides my main business, you know what I mean? So, like I said, the link will be in the description below. A lot of y'all didn't get on this before, you know what I'm saying? Y'all need to get on it now. Like I said, you got 4 days to grind it out. You can make $100, you can make whatever it is. It all depends on your grind. Like I said, I'm gonna keep this video nice and short. The link is in the description. You don't have to go out to no Play Store, no Apple Store. Like I said, you can just go right down there, click it, what I'm saying, download it from the referral link, and you can come back to the video or any other video that I have on here. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, I'm getting to the point. Like I said, get to the referring. You can do the cash back if you're out doing something. Like I said, get to the referring. That's the main thing up to the 19th. Then you could get back to regular schedule after the 19th. Even though when you refer somebody after the 19th, it's gonna go back to $5. You still can make a little money here and there. But like I said, they upped it to 10 from 15. You can still make a quick killing, like I said, if you didn't before or you've never heard of this app. But anyways, like I said, the link will be in the description below. And SgmCashoutKing is signing out. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe, become part of the SGM fam, become part of the SGM fam, become part of the SGM fam.
Bow wow wow, yippee yo, yippee yay, yippee yippee yo, yippee 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 yay. Go bow wow wow, yippee yo, yippee yay.